Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm your Sakib Chaudhary. You are watching Techzoid. So today in this video I am going to talk about a very important topic, which is WhatsApp new update, policy update. WhatsApp has updated their policy in 2021 and it is a very big change. WhatsApp has changed many things, and if you are a regular WhatsApp user, you have already get the notification for accepting the new WhatsApp rules. So 95% people all accept without reading the rules, so it is not good for us because WhatsApp has changed lots of things, and anytime we can be banned from WhatsApp. It is a WhatsApp new rules also. So if you are a regular WhatsApp user, you have to know all the new update policy in easy language. Today I am going to explain you all new update policy. So if you are interested about this topic and if you are a WhatsApp regular user, please watch the video till the end. And if you are newbie to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more qualityful videos. And if this video helped you in any way, please like, comment down below, and must be share this video with your friends and family. And you can share this video must be in WhatsApp to WhatsApp other WhatsApp user. So let's start the video. So today we are going to talk about WhatsApp new update policy, but first of all you have to know what is message policy. It means how WhatsApp message algorithm works. When you send a message to your friends or any groups, it will be saved in WhatsApp servers. WhatsApp is saying that they have end-to-end encryption. It means end-to-end security. WhatsApp want to say that without you and your friends, anyone cannot see the messages. So WhatsApp's rules is when you send a message to your friend, it will be saved to WhatsApp server for few seconds, but when your friend seen the message, it will be deleted instantly. But sometimes we send messages to our friends and family, but they did not seen the message timely, so WhatsApp saved the message in their servers, and it saved in the servers for first 30 days. In first 30 days, if your friends don't see the message, then it will be deleted automatically. So it is the WhatsApp main messaging policy. So they are providing you end-to-end security. It means anyone cannot watch your text, anyone cannot watch your conversation, anyone cannot read, because it is saving on your device, on your mobile storage, and anyone cannot read your messages. So it is the main WhatsApp policy. So when you are installing WhatsApp, or you have already installed in your mobile WhatsApp what is claiming from your mobile, or what is collecting? First of all, WhatsApp collects your device data and internet connection data. It means WhatsApp collect your device model name, hardware configuration, your OS operating system, like you are using from Android or iOS. And WhatsApp also collect about your ISP, which ISP, IP address, internet speed, etc. So WhatsApp firstly collect your device and ISP is details. So it is that their rules. And secondly, most important thing, WhatsApp collects your location. Now in new update WhatsApp, now you can share your location with your friends and family or any groups, and you can also share your live location also. So WhatsApp is saying that now they will save your those location, and they will collect those location, and they will store to their storage. If you are sending your location to your any friends and family and any groups, WhatsApp is going to save your location into their server. And if you are not using any location service from WhatsApp, even then they also collect your location from your IP address. Generally we know that in internet mostly location is going to be tracked using IP address. So WhatsApp is saying that they will must be collect your location using IP address, or if you use WhatsApp in location services, then they will collect your location. So another new update is from now WhatsApp will share your data. If you are a WhatsApp user, WhatsApp will share their users data to Facebook and Instagram. We know that Facebook and Instagram are from same company, and WhatsApp is also from Facebook. It means all three social media is from Mark Zuckerberg company, which is Facebook mainly. So WhatsApp is going to share their users data to Facebook, like our mobile phone numbers, our locations, our IP address, our internet speed, mobile device model, etc, etc. So they are going to share with Facebook. It is not good for us, because it is from one point we can say WhatsApp is selling our data to Facebook, and Facebook has no trust issues, because there have lots of time we got news this Facebook is leaking our data to their business partner, like who are using our data to their advertisement purpose. So it is not good for us, because it is not secured. But if you not allow this thing, if you not allow all these policies of WhatsApp will ban you forever. So if there have no way to deny these all rules, so you have to allow these rules if you want to use WhatsApp. So WhatsApp will share your all details with Facebook and so Instagram. WhatsApp another update is WhatsApp ads policy. We know that WhatsApp don't show us any types of ad. So in new policy they are not showing us ad, but they have said that they have plan, or if they show ad in WhatsApp, then they will inform us. So from this point we can guess that WhatsApp will start their business of advertisement, and it is the another point for us. So next policy update is WhatsApp minimum age. Nowadays most of the people are connected with internet. We know that kids like who 10 years old, 12 years old, anyone use any types of social media like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, but this is not legal in many countries. So in European Union, which countries are under European Union, for them WhatsApp rule is you have to be minimum 16 years old. After that you can use WhatsApp legally, and from in other countries you can use WhatsApp from 13 years old. So it is the main legal age. Those ages are legal age, but nowadays everyone is using WhatsApp or any types of social medias in illegal way before their age, or they are not respecting any age restrictions. Last but not the least, WhatsApp new another update policy is that WhatsApp can ban anyone, and from now they will not send any notification, they will not contact with you, they will not send any mail with you if they get anything wrong from your profile. They can ban you instantly without informing you. So it is looking quite interesting, and it is very good if WhatsApp can implement is in good way, because there are lots of spammers and many people who are doing wrong thing with WhatsApp. So WhatsApp can detect them and ban them. It will be good for their users. So it is all about WhatsApp new policy update. So I hope that I have explained everything with you, and I tried my best to explain with you guys in easy language. So it is all the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon obviously for more quality full tech videos like it. And if you already have subscribed the channel, thank you. And before ending the video, you can watch another video about WhatsApp from our channel. You will get from I button or description box. It is a WhatsApp new updates, new features update. WhatsApp comes with many interesting feature in this year, lots of feature. So most of the people don't know where the feature and how can you access all these new interesting shocking features. So please check out these videos also from I button or description box. So that's it for today. Bye bye.